Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Relatively drier day compared to yesterday, as we did see just below an inch of rain yesterday, but things should stay relatively dry, and we do have a slight chance of seeing some scattered light rain or drizzle as we go throughout the day today, as that low is kind of lingering off to the southeast of the area at the moment. But otherwise, temperatures won't be moving much as we go throughout the day. We are contending with those low clouds again, and we'll likely be contending with those as we go throughout the next couple days. Otherwise, another breezy onshore day right now, just below wind advisory criteria, but we'll likely see those winds tick up a bit and a good chance of seeing a wind advisory as we go throughout the day today. But if we take a look at the current surface analysis, we do see that low off to our southeast and kind of keeping some troughiness over our region. That's and with that onshore moist flow, we'll see those chances of scattered light rain showers passing through the area possibly, and maybe a slight chance of some light drizzle. But again, otherwise drier than it was yesterday. We see off to the west plenty of activity, as we do have a upper level trough that's starting to dig into the central part of the country. That will be moving eastward as we go into our Friday, and that will bring us another round of some rain, as a cold front will be pushing through the area, bringing us a good chance of some rain showers and a decent chance of seeing some thunderstorms as well in the area. Current conditions as of 8 this morning, we have an overcast deck at 800 feet. Winds are out of the east northeast at 16 knots. We have seen some gusts again up to about 22 knots so far this morning. Expecting those to tick up a bit as we go throughout the morning. Temperatures at 61 degrees and relative humidity is at 88%. Take a look at the local radar. Not much to see going on. Did have a few showers just kind of lingering off the coast earlier, but have since kind of broken up and moved away. And we'll be dealing with those kind of conditions as we go throughout the day and really the next couple days, as that low kind of stays lingering in the area, and will slowly start to lift through the area ahead of that next system. Otherwise, we take a look at the current visible satellite. Lots of cloud material in the area. You can see those low clouds are locked in pretty good over the southern Delmarva Peninsula, so we'll be contending with those as we go throughout the day. Might see the lowest layer break a bit, but still not really rising much ceiling wise as we go throughout the day and into the overnight hours. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model, this is the NAM 3 kilometer. We see just some radar echoes showing up, just kind of passing through the area and lingering, mostly just off the coast, but with a few making their way inland as we go throughout the day today and into the overnight hours. Better chance of seeing a passing shower or light shower to drizzle through the overnight hours, as that uh, boundary that the low pressure system is sitting along will start to lift into our area. But we do have a pretty decent wedge of cold air that's going to keep that moving fairly slow as we go throughout the day on Thursday. But that chance will of seeing some showers will continue as we go throughout the day Thursday and into Thursday evening as well. So we're just keeping about 20-30% chances of seeing some scattered showers moving through the area before we have our next event. As we get into our Friday, we see that um, we'll see some southerly flow and things start to warm up a bit ahead of this next system that will be moving into the area, bringing us a chance for some rain showers and even some thunderstorms as we get into the afternoon and evening and overnight hours of Friday. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather risks for today, we do have yellow across the board for precip, as we'll just be keeping those chances of scattered light rain in the area. Temperatures not moving too much. Might see a couple degrees of an uptick as we go throughout the day, maybe making it up to 64 degrees for a high before mellowing back out to around 60 as we go through the overnight hours. And as we see those winds start to shift northeast, east-northeast at the moment, and they'll stay pretty much easterly as we go throughout the day, and then we'll start to see a slight shift again as that boundary slowly lifts north as we get into the morning hours tomorrow. Expecting to see some gusts up to 26, 27 knots as we go throughout the day, so a good chance of seeing wind advisory and we'll see those winds calm down slightly as we go into the overnight hours, likely seeing the wind advisory get canceled overnight. But again, we had that orange risk this morning turning to a red risk for that wind advisory as we get into the afternoon, because we do expect those winds to pick up. Yellow across the board for the low clouds and visibility, as we have the low clouds that are pretty much locked into the area for the next couple days. Otherwise, tides are slightly above normal with that onshore flow, and we'll keep a slight chance as we go throughout the day seeing those passing sprinkles, and slightly better chance as we go through the overnight hours. Might even see some periods of mist for the early morning hours of Thursday. And as we look at our Thursday, another cloudy day with some low clouds continue to be in the area. Again, a chance of seeing some scattered light showers pushing through the area, depending on how fast or slowly that boundary starts to lift through the area. Breezy day, but looks like we might stay below the um, wind advisory criteria at the moment. Maybe some gusts up to 20 knots, and otherwise a high of 72, so a warmer day for our Thursday as we do get into that southerly flow. So yellow for precip and yellow for those low clouds in the area. As we get into Thursday evening, we'll have a cloudy evening and a chance of seeing some of those clouds break up through the overnight hours, but continued chance for seeing some low clouds in the area as well. Slight chance of seeing some scattered light rain again passing through the area through the overnight and early morning Friday. A low of only 64, so rather mild low. So we do have the yellow for precip and those low clouds in the area. As we get into our Friday, we'll start off mostly cloudy. We'll have a slight chance of some light rain passing through again the area early, and then mostly cloudy conditions with that becoming more cloudy as that system and cold front approaches the area and gets closer, and then we'll see a good chance of seeing some rain showers and thunderstorms develop as we get into the afternoon and evening and continuing into the overnight hours. Warmer day for Friday, high of 77, so we do have that orange for seeing there's rain chances, especially in the afternoon, and orange for seeing some lightning in the area with that warmer air. We see some instability, good chance of seeing a few of those showers become more, produce some lightning and thunder. Otherwise, we'll have some breezy conditions on Friday as well. So we have a yellow chance of seeing a wind advisory for our Friday, as we will have those winds pick up out of the south. And again, we'll have another chance for seeing some low clouds and lowered visibilities. That will wrap up our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.